Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? It's been over a year now, and it's time to clean my gaming rig. Yes, I know the CPU paste probably dried up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and re-clean everything off, resurface everything, and make it brand new again. Alright, let's do this. Alright everybody, this is the gaming rig right here. Got to go ahead on and, just like I said, resurface everything, clean all the dust off of it, clean all the dust off the CPU and the fans, etc, etc. This is my gaming rig, and I'm still working on tightening up the cable management, but anyway, no one's not looking underneath my desk but me, and that's what basically it. This is the baby here. It's been running for a while, so I go ahead and loosen up that CPU paste of the 810 5800K processor, 100 TDP wattage. The CPU fan I'm using is a Thermaltate Silent Contact 12, which I added an extra fan to the back, so it's a double cooler. So other than that, it's just time to go ahead on and clean it up. It's been a year. I purchased the processor on July 25th. It is now August 16th, so it's been a year and 16 days. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. As you see, I'm on the Rosewood SPECTRA C100 case. I took the fans out, put the up here fans in there, 6 fans in there. So this baby looking nice, good, and clean. I can't complain about it. I'm just gonna go ahead and re-clean it, resurface everything, and let's go ahead and do my thing. Let's do this. as y'all see, she's apart. There she go. As you see, she's naked, and I love it. This is the Rosaria SPECTRA C100 case. Now, when you buy this case here, it has 4 dual-ring blue fans, 3 up front, 1 in the back. As you know, I went through some modifications with it, buying the uphill 6-pack RGB with the hub controller. And yeah, it's been a year, and it's time for some cleaning. As you know, I'm gonna get close. You can see the peach dust, the little peach fuzz. You know, every year you're supposed to clean out your PCs, automatic. Every year, you can see the little peach fuzz on the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1063 gigabyte. As you know, I use that ID Qualum thermal paste gel, and it's a thick gel too, so it's very good quality. As you know, I can still, it's pretty much on the dry side, but it's still sticky. You know, you can see it on my fingers. But you can see a little peach dust fuzz on the transistors. Yes, this board is overclockable with the TRM. It allows to go ahead and send the right power to the CPU so it can function properly. You can't overclock it, but just like I said, I do not need to overclock any of my parts. I allow it to do it itself. And there go my 16 gigabyte 8 gigabyte sticks RAM at DDR3, 1600 megahertz speed. The reason I put this board together because I don't hardly do too much gaming off of it. The games I do play are RPG games and puzzle games, and my Mortal Kombat and etc. Like gaming with it, so that's why I put that board. That's why I picked the part. They got a back plate to it. Now, but I'm using that thick ID Cooling thermal gel paste, which is a great paste. I had to remove the bracket first. It's best to do that, get the brackets out the way because of the clamping of the thermal take solid contact 12 cooler. Once you clamp it on, it is hard to take it off, so it's best to go ahead and remove the bracket. And as you see, my 6 hard drives, my 4 2.5s, and my, let me correct that because I got everything in my 5 2.5s and my 1 3.5, so it's 6 hard drives that fits in this case. And there go my RGB fan controller. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking that off and putting a magnetic strip on it, so I ain't got to worry about the issues with sticky, stacky. The sticky tape is gone now, so it's been a year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and resurface that whole entire back plate. And there go the 2 CPU cooler fans for the CPU cooler, and there go the 600 watt power supply by Silverstone. So yeah, and this is 80. It is 80 plus bronze, as you see the sticker. So just like I said, I could go ahead and use a non-efficiency power supply or efficiency power supply. It don't make a difference because I don't be on my computer that long. No minimum of 2 to 3 hours tops. Once every blue moon, you know, handling stuff, doing research for my tech vlogs, etc. There go my camera. Yeah, I'm on my phone camera now, but that's my camcorder. Yeah, I'm on a 2-cam system. I'm trying to go ahead and tie everything in so I can use them both. And trying to figure that out because once I get that Elgato, I might have to get the USB one. I don't have that much ports, and my USB 3.0 hard drive, my USB port goes into this slot right here. I can't get it into that slot because of the GPU bracket, but I might do it anyway. But other than that, as you see, this motherboard holds up to 6 SATA 2s. I'm using a SATA 3s, so it is good. That one right there is a SATA 3. Those are SATA 3s. That's a SATA 2. So y'all see what I'm talking about there. Now, as you know, that's my SSD. That's my boot and everything on it. Those hard drives holds my games, and that hard drive holds basically between the team group, holds all my movies and editing. When I play my video games, I want to record them, give y'all a little bit of my gameplay, which I know sometimes might be a little boring, but it is what it is. I love it. and I do like doing what I do. Now, the 2.5, the 4 2.5s and the 3.5 holds my games. 7,200 RPM. This is, as you know, more faster than those, but it's good to have backups. And this is one reason why I do not do externals, because imagine all those sitting on my desk. And then I had to go ahead and buy an external hard drive bay cage. But other than that, she's naked. She's ready to go for cleaning. And that video will be coming up doing that tomorrow. So y'all take it easy. I'm glad y'all give y'all this tutorial of me stripping this baby down. It's a pain in the butt, especially cleaning, because now I got to put everything back together again. But other than that, what I'm going to be doing off camera is cleaning my CPU and, you know, getting the gunk off of it. I'm going to go through the cleaning of the CPU with the fan, with my vacuum cleaner soft brush. So go ahead and suck all that dust off of it. And then probably run it through some water. But other than that, that's great. I want to thank y'all for watching this short video of my cleaning tutorial. And y'all have a wonderful and great day. And I'll see y'all in the next video. The next video will be me putting it back together and cleaning. So, but just like I said, I'm going to go ahead and remove the thermal paste off of it. And to keep my grandson from touching it, because all this is going to be wide open, and I don't want him to be touching none of these parts. Okay, and the same thing with the CPU cooler as well, so I'll be cleaning that thermal paste off camera, and that's basically it. I want to go ahead on and thank y'all for watching this video here. I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Take it easy. Alright everybody, welcome back. I did some prep off the camera. I had cleaned the filter grill of the front of the Roosevelt SPECTRA C100. Now the front of the case holds 3 fans, 3 120s. You can install a 360mm radiator if you want to. I chose to go with the fans because I'm not too much into radiators, but other builders who love radiators, you could go with the front of that. I'll be showing that there when I put the PC back together. As you see, the grill placement, they got the filter for the grill placement. They got the top of the grill for the top fans for the 2 120s up front. Now up top, correction of that, my bad, up top, you can install 2 120s or 2 140s. It houses a 240mm radiator or a 280mm radiator. I'll be putting those specs of this case in the description below if y'all want to purchase this case. This is a great case to build with. It's not an issue. I love it. That's why I brought it, and I do love Roosevelt products. Now this is the back. I had to buy additional 12 pack 3 Bulls 120mm filters. This is one of them. I'll be putting that link in the description below if you want to go ahead and purchase some 3 120mm for your fans to go ahead and keep majority of the dust coming out. Alrighty, moving right along. I did also off camera. I did the cleaning of the CPU and motherboard. I removed all that dust. Dust was just everywhere. I also cleaned my USB 3.0 with the front panel connector. I cleaned that off. I also resurfaced the GTX 1063GB. I removed the thermal paste. This is the fan grill. I gotta go ahead and reassemble it. Nice, good, clean. Take out the fan motor. It was dusty. Nice, good, clean. So now, as you see the rest of the parts right there, as you see the massive hard drives, you have 6 hard drives fits in that bad boy there. I love it. Also, that's the case to the bottom. As I was saying, with that there, you could go ahead on in the front houses 3 120mm, or you could just go ahead and do a 360 AIO up front, as well as the top part. You could go ahead and do a 120 or 140. Easy. I prefer the fans because it works good for me. There go the CPU cooler. This baby was dirty. Look at it now, nice and clean. These little small things that I did off the camera, so I could go ahead on and make the little build better. But what I'm going to be doing to the hub is go ahead and removing that adhesive and installing the magnets. The magnet strip on back, so I ain't got to worry about it. As you see, the dust on the adhesive, it don't stick no more, it's falling off. And I don't like that rattling that's going on in the back, so I'm going to go ahead and install the adhesive magnetic strip on the back of that, and I'm good to go. Alrighty, y'all, just stay tuned for the reassemble of it. And that's all I have to say. Thank y'all for watching this quick short. Let me go ahead and correct that. Thank y'all for watching. Section 2 is coming up, the reassemble, and we're going to get this party started. Alright, everybody, as you see, I did a lot of cleaning off the cameras. I got everything up and running. You can just see the good spec details I did. Cleaned all the dust off of it. Excuse the little peach fuzz. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a little dusting off again. So, but other than that, I did a lot of cleaning off the camera. I resurfaced everything. This baby is ready to go for the rebuild. All right, enough talking. Let's do this.